Hello YouTube, again here with me Charisma, and today's tutorial I will show you the creation of the variables and data type using Java programming language. And in this tutorial I will also show you the console input using scanner. Okay, let's get started. In order to create the variable, you need to type the data type first. Integer, for example, a equals to 10, integer b equals to 2, and etc, etc. Okay. um, the format for declaring variables is simple, using the data type and then name of variable. Okay. uh, there are several data types for. Okay, I will like to show you the creation of comments first. This is multi-line comment using slash and stars. And then for data type, there are several data type available for Java, including integer, long, short, char, byte, boolean, and string, and also float and double. Sorry. Okay. To print out the variables content, the value, just use the out again, and then a equals to plus a. Plus here means concatenation of the string. Okay, and let's run the program again. Okay, a equals to 10. Okay, and then for for console output, I will use scanner, sc new scanner system.in, and then import it, because you need to import it. And then type out, please enter a number. Integer a num equals to sc dot next in. Because it is an integer variable, that means we have to use the sc dot next in method. And then out num equals to num. Let's run the program again, and then type 100. Num equals 100. Okay, that is how to insert a number into the program using console input using the scanner class. Okay, if you have any question, please comment in below video, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.